Here is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery result by the FUE method, and we did around 2,200 something grafts, and we rebuilt his hairline and the temple, and I named him the my Lion King because his hair volume is just fantastic. He lost pretty much here, half of the head, and then the temple and the sides all come back out. So what his hair pattern was is like he has nice feature down here, but then when the hair loss is so wide and all the way up, then it leave a large forehead because when the temple come backward and the forehead hairline come out. So this is what his hairline is. It looks fantastic. I'm combing through it. It's one of the most density, and this is one surgery, by the way. And I'll just show the audience what he looks like before, just before he go further. And this is what he looks like before. And zoom in a little bit. There we go, perfect. So he lost almost half of the head, and so we did around 22, something, almost 23, and lower the hairline, recreate the hairline, and bring the temple in. Because if we just lower the hairline without bringing the temple in, the whole head will not look perfect. And this is, one of my masterpieces, I'll tell you. And this is just one surgery. Hair transplant, again, is an art form. It requires a lot of the artistic and aesthetic detail to ensure a very natural result. And this is one surgery by the FUE method. And a year later, look at that nice thick volume, nice hairline, soft, and the temple has brought in. It's not a big old forehead because I rebuilt the temple. Creating the temple, as you can see, his forehead is wide and high, and so we brought the temple in. From the midpoint to the eyes right side, on the temple was around 7 to 8.5 centimeter, and so this guy we did around almost an inch coming in, and then the angle is very important. It's flat against skin and pointed backward. And if you look at this, you see how nice and soft, and it blends in, and you cannot tell. And look at that, how thick volume it is. He leaves his hair like Elvis. Instead of Lion King, I should call him Elvis. But look at that, it's just fantastic. Or Morrissey, he has nice style like this with nice volume in the front. And on the top view, looking down, and again, so he lost all the way down like this, and he's standing all the way here. So we went all the way back, and look at it. Look at that, fantastic. Nice thick volume we did. And now, we're getting back to this plane. Okay, look at this. And I will turn this way from you. And when we talk about the temple, you see, we brought it in quite a bit, like this much. Angle flat against the skin, pointed backward. A lot of baby single hair graft in the front, followed by root of 2 hair and 3 hair in the back for both of volume. Look at this. Fantastic. Look at this. And then turn this way too. Okay. And we turn the temple here. Again. And look at this way. And look straight at me. And then look down. Okay. And I comb the hair for you. I can part our way. Look at it. It's all nice, thick volume and density. And he has so much volume and excellent coverage that, I think it's it's over 90%, but it's awesome. And he's, medium fine roots, just around medium. But the most important thing is the whole artistry behind it. From the mid-eyebrow hairline 6.5 to 7. And we brought the temple in from 7 to 8.5 about a minute. So, thank you.